Well, for those that have asked about my water collection system, finally got it hooked up today. There's my rain reserve gutter diverter, downspout diverter. I got one of the ports down at the bottom going into a garden hose that comes down into the top of my dual barrel system. And it should fill up to the top of the overflow, which is this one. And once it fills up to there, overflow will go down and into the underground gutter system that the rest of the rainwater goes into. And now I'm just looking forward to a little bit of rain to make sure all my seals hold.